Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use community components in Figma. This is a fantastic way to speed up your design process by leveraging pre-made elements created by other designers, saving you time and effort while keeping your projects looking professional. First, open your Figma application. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. Click on Community. This is where Figma's collaborative magic happens, giving you access to thousands of free resources shared by designers worldwide. In the Community section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in components or any specific keyword that matches what you're looking for. This could be anything from button sets and icons to entire UI kits. Figma's community library is extensive, so be as specific as possible to find exactly what you need for your project. Now browse through the results until you find a component that catches your eye and fits your design requirements. Once you've made your choice, click on it to open the detail page. Here you'll see a button that says Open in Figma. Go ahead and click that button. This action will duplicate the file into your Figma account, giving you full access to all the components inside. Give it a moment to load, as Figma will open a new tab with the community file. This is a copy that you can freely explore and use without affecting the original. Once it's loaded, look over to the left side panel where you'll see all the layers and components organized. Find the specific component you want to use in your project and click on it to select it. With the component selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. This standard keyboard shortcut works just like copying text or any other element, placing the component on your clipboard ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now it's time to switch back to your actual project file. Navigate to the tab where your working project is open. Once you're there, simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the component. It will appear on your canvas, ready to be positioned and customized. Now here's an important organizational step. On the left side of your screen, click on Assets. This panel shows all the components available in your current file. Find the component you just pasted, and from there you can easily drag it onto your frame whenever you need to use it again. This makes it simple to reuse the same component multiple times without having to copy and paste repeatedly. And that's it. You've successfully imported and used a community component in your Figma project, making your design workflow faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.